So if we have, say, b raised to the fourth power, it will be b times b times b times b. The power or the index tells you how many times this number must be multiplied by itself. Because remember, the letter is only representing a number. For example, if we have 3 raised to the third power, it would be 3 times 3 times 3. And 3 3s 9, 3 9s would be 27. Similarly, if we have 8 raised to the second power, it would be 8 times 8 equal to 64. And if we have, say, 5 raised to the third power, it will be 5 times 5 times 5. Now 5 5 is 25, and 5 times 25 is 125. So that's the first thing. This is known as the base. So we have the base and the index are the power. Now the base is the number and the index tells you how many times the base must be multiplied by itself. Alright, let us clean the board and go into another example. The first rule, and one of the main one, is multiplying. When we are multiplying, say we have a to the 4 times a to the second. Once the base is the same, we maintain the base. So if it's a, this means a times itself 4 times 2, it will be a times a times a times a. And then it's multiplied by a squared, which is 2 times, which is a times a. Now, what we can do is just basically count them and see how many a's. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be a to the 6th power. And that will be your answer. I want you to notice and tell me if you see a pattern. So let us say we have a to the third times a to the fourth. What will we get? You can pause the video and try. Alright, let's go. So it's a times a times a, this is 3 times, times a times a times a. So it's fair to say that we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be a raised to the 7th power. Now by now you would have noticed that it's like we are adding. So this here we have 4 plus 2, 6. A to the third times a to the fourth will be 3 plus 4, which is 7. So the first rule is when we are multiplying and we have the same base, we add the powers. We add the powers. Very good, guys. Let's go again. What if there are all numbers involved? Let's say we have 2a times 3a raised to the 6th power. Now we multiply the whole numbers as usual, so it will be 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and then we treat the base. Because the base is the same, we can apply the rule. Now a by itself is like a raised to the first power plus 6. So we get 6a raised to 74. And that will be your answer. But just pause the video and try this one. See, we have 3x to the third power times 2x raised to the sixth power. Pause the video and try that one. Alright, let's see what you get. 3 times 2 would be 6. X to the third. Once they are the same base, we can add the power, so it will be 3 plus 6. So we get 6x. 3 plus 6, 9. And that would be your answer. So that is the first rule, guys. Alright, let's go again. Let's look at the second rule when we are dividing.